Hi folks, welcome to the 5-Minute Crypto News. Today's date is Friday, November the 11th, 2022 at 1:43 p.m. Eastern Time. Here is the cryptocurrency news in 5 minutes or less. Here we have the heat map from CoinMarketCap.com showing Bitcoin with a dominance of 37.83%. Ethereum follows that with 18.17%. Here's another heat map from coin360.com, showing just about everything in the red. Ethereum is one of the sole risers. We have the CoinMarketCap list of the top cryptocurrencies. Here is Bitcoin at number 1, Ethereum in second place. And then there is Cardano in 8th place. 9th place is Dogecoin. 10th place Polygon. 11th place Polkadot. And Shiba Inu is in 14th place. The global cryptocurrency market capitalization in United States dollars has fallen below $1 trillion US dollars. It's currently at 832.7 billion US dollars. The price of a single Bitcoin is 16,895 US dollars. And that's a drop of 2.62%. We have Ethereum relatively unchanged, 1,277 US dollars. Cardano has fallen 3.4% today. Solana also 3.5% dropping. Dogecoin tumbling 4.8%, currently at 8.4 cents in US currency. We have the cryptocurrency Fear and Greed Index from this website, alternative.me, and they show the relative position at 25, which is extreme fear, and that is down from last week, which was at around 30. A few daily news items related to the cryptocurrency scene. We have in the United States, Cathie Wood's ARK Investments has added $12.1 million in Coinbase shares amid the turbulent markets. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange based in the United States. ARK Investments is one of the larger investment firms in the United States. It's gaining a lot of popularity, and it's managed by Cathie Wood. They have increased their Coinbase stock holdings with the purchase of 237,000 Coinbase shares worth about $12.1 million on November 9th. And this comes amid the FTX brokerage tumble, bankruptcy situation occurring. And let's see, Coinbase has added that it has no exposure to FTX's native token, the FTX token, which has fallen 84% since Binance announced its decision to liquidate its entire FTT holdings on November 7th. There's also implicated in this the firm Alameda Research, which is owned by the same owner who owns FTX. And so that's going to be causing turbulence in the markets for the next few weeks, possibly months. This article comes from theblock.co. They say that Coinbase's stock has jumped following the FTX bankruptcy filing. Again, a reminder, Coinbase is a cryptocurrency trading firm in the United States. And Coinbase's shares were up over 7% during early trading on Friday. Traders are encouraged by Coinbase following the downfall of FTX and its bankruptcy filing. And let's see, they have this chart here showing some of the gains today. And here's another chart from Google showing Coinbase's stock rising 10.4% today as it stands. And over the last 5 days, this drop here was caused by the FTX scandal, and now Coinbase stock is starting to rise back up again. We have now here an article from thecryptobasic.com, and there is a brokerage for cryptocurrency called Huobi, and it has announced free trading for XRP, ADA, and LUNC. And it's announced limited time zero fee trading for these assets as it launches spot trading for 12 pairs. We have that Huobi Global is has covered global clients, and it has operation centers in Singapore, the United States, Japan, Korea, Hong Kong, and many other countries. Now we'll take a look at the stock market for stocks related to the cryptocurrency scene. We have this from CNN.com business. In Asia, it was rising over the last day. In Europe, mixed and rising in the United States. Now for United States stocks, we have Coinbase Global. We mentioned it earlier, currently at $55.50 a share. That's a rise of around 9%. We have Robinhood Markets rising 10.3%, currently at $10.23 a share in the United States. FTX token, which we mentioned earlier as well, that's currently at $2.72, and that's a drop of 24.7% compared to yesterday. Let's take a look at the 5-day chart. So here's when all the trouble started, roughly around Wednesday and Thursday. So quite a bit of action there. We have MicroStrategy. Over the last 5 days, it has dropped significantly from around $250 down to the $173 per share level. Grayscale Bitcoin, over last week, it has fallen quite a bit and currently sitting at $9.05 a share. We have Marathon Digital, relatively unscathed despite all the turmoil, $9.60 a share. That's a drop of 12.3% compared to the last week, 1 week ago. Greenwich Generation, currently at 81 cents a share. That's a drop of 1.6% over the last week and a rise of 11.4% compared to yesterday. Van Eck Digital Transformations Exchange Traded Fund has risen 2.05%. We have the Van Eck Digital Bitcoin Strategy Exchange Traded Fund, XBTF is the symbol, falling 8.59%. There's Valkyrie Bitcoin Strategy, symbol BTF, falling 9.6% on the day. This is Stronghold Digital Mining, symbol STIG on the NASDAQ, traded in the United States. It rose 4.6% compared to yesterday, and this is how it looked last week, and then the dip caused by the FTX thing. ProShares Bitcoin Strategy Exchange Traded Fund fell 9.35%, and a similar drop here. Riot Blockchain down 10.7% over the last week, and today it fell 3.9%. We have Hut 8 Mining Corporation, symbol HUT, that fell 10.86%. There's no chart available today. Right now it's sitting at $1.55 US currency. Core Scientific, 17 cents a share, and it rose a whopping 23.7% compared to yesterday. And last week, that's relative to the same level about 1 week ago, and then it dipped tremendously due to the FTX situation, and now it's risen back up to roughly where it was 1 week ago, so quite a good performance there. Silvergate Capital, symbol SI, down 1%, $32.38 a share. We have Bit Mining. This penny stock is at 21 cents roughly, United States currency, and over the last 5 days it has fallen due to the FTX situation. It was as high as 23 cents. And here is an interesting picture coming from Hungary, the nation of Hungary, located in Europe, and it has, according to this Twitter poster, a Bitcoin bar, a tavern where you can go and get a drink, and it's a Bitcoin themed bar. So this person here is toasting to the Bitcoin bar. Now going to some cryptocurrency merchandise. This is from Etsy.com, ETSY website, and they have a nice Bitcoin black and brown leather wallet with the Bitcoin logo on the front. It's personalized, and they say it's a birthday gift for a boyfriend or men in general. You can get it for yourself. 100% genuine wallet, and it goes for around $70 US, and you have to add shipping and taxes, of course. Here's another look, different colors and styles. We have the inside, looks like a normal wallet, a bunch of different folds, and unique gift time, but the important thing is the style, and they have black or brown. So That is from Etsy. So that ends the United States items. Please like and subscribe. And now some other stocks around the world. We have the Canadian cryptocurrency stocks related to cryptocurrency. The Ether Fund, symbol QETH, it has fallen 4.15%, and that's a large drop from last week. Tuesday it was as high as $30.67, and it spiked a little bit recently, but then it has fallen today down 4.15%. We have the Beta Pro Inverse Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund with symbol BITI. As you would expect, it goes in the opposite direction of the market, and so if the market has been falling for most crypto coins, this exchange traded fund you would expect to rise. It has risen today compared to yesterday, 7.8%. 5 days ago, it was down at around $22. It rose quite a bit during the FTX situation at the height of the panic, 28.52. So from 28.2 down to up to 28, and now it's fallen down to around 25.9%, or $25.9, I should say, in Canadian currency. And now we have Bitfarms, so BITF, that rose 6.25%. compared to yesterday. One stock from the United Kingdom, we have Argo Blockchain, and it is currently at 8.5 British pounds. That's a rise of 6.3% compared to yesterday. It has emerged relatively unscathed, surprisingly, from the FTX drop, coming almost back to normal levels. That was your 5-minute crypto news for today. Please subscribe to get notified of new videos on YouTube, and thanks for watching.